You're getting this under eye cream for 125 doll hairs. Save your coin. Save your coin, get the box, because everything else is free. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond. Today we are getting into the FabFitFun Winter Box. Okay, I have been getting the FabFitFun seasonal boxes since last year. I think my first FabFitFun video was actually a winter box, and what I've noticed with these boxes is they're hits and they're misses. Okay, and these boxes are supposed to be valued up to $350, and you receive the box for, I think it's either $59.99 or $69.99. I don't know, but you get full-size items in every single box that value up to $350, and lately my boxes have been adding up to the $350. I will be completely honest with you. Normally with my other reviews of the FabFitFun box, I don't be remembering what's inside the box because I literally sometimes have the box sitting for so long that I don't remember what I chose. But this one, this box in particular, we gonna do this one different. So if you don't want a spoiler in this FabFitFun unboxing, exit stage left. That's left? That's right. Exit stage left. I don't know. Whatever the left is for you. That's where you need to exit. Okay. Because I'm going to get in what I chose for this box and what my options were for this box, and I'm gonna tell you right now, it wasn't that great. So I never take a sneak peek of what's inside the box. I always unbox it with you guys, and my reaction is an initial reaction right along with you. So let's see how this box looks this year. How much of it? Oh, this box is smaller than usual. Very interesting. Huh. I was wondering why this box felt so light. This is the smallest FabFitFun box I've ever received. So yeah, this is the winter box. Normally the boxes have a certain color, it's festive, it has like a bunch of stuff on it, but yeah, they went simple this year, which is interesting. You know what, I'm gonna give them the benefit of the doubt. Maybe because I didn't pick big items, they didn't feel the need to give me a big box. I'm just gonna say this, but I'm just gonna say that. But with the FabFitFun box, you get full-size items of home items, fitness items, skincare items, body care items. The list could go on, and you are able to get a seasonal box, which are the boxes that I received, for $69.99, and an annual box for $54.99. With the code DIAMOND, you could get 20% off of your first box, which is the seasonal box, and with the code DIAMOND gift, if you decide you want the annual box, you will get a free gift in your box. So if you're interested, thank you later. Okay, it's a little festive on the inside. It's pretty on the inside. It's a very pretty box. I could see this as a nice gift. 100% could see this as a nice gift. Oh yeah, look at that. You see the happiest holidays. Okay. I'm gonna do this different. I'm actually gonna go in order, and I'm gonna show you the other options that I had and why I chose what I chose. And you could tell me in the comments if I'm tripping saying that it wasn't like the best option. So first and foremost, my first pick, I picked the Olaplex. I'm actually shocked. I did not think that this was gonna be full size, but no, I got like a full-size shampoo and a full-size conditioner. The cost of the shampoo and conditioner was $60. So all right, my box my box has been paid for, okay? So also I always calculate my box at the end just to see how much my box was worth. So okay, box paid for, so everything else in here is technically free, okay? Everything that was in the box, so not in the box, in my choice. One was the Mured Target Wrinkle Corrector. It was $79. The Chloe Bella tote bag, it was $98. There were 2 blankets in here. The Unhide Emerald Kitten Little Marsh. Is that a blanket? I don't know if that's a blanket or not. But yeah, that was in there. Glass House fragrance scent, like it was like a little scent decant thing, $45. There was a necklace, a stainless steel 14 karat gold plated necklace. It was $75. And there were 3 belts. Oh, it's more. There were 3 belts, Kate Spade belts. They were $58 each. A little scarf, $58. And 3 Hourglass lipsticks, all $46 each. So out of everything in there, I got the Olaplex. That was just for me. That was something I would have liked. Going into the second option, I got the Fenty. Actually, I have 2 Fenty items in this box, and they're full-size items. So I was very interested in the Fenty Melt Off Jelly Oil Makeup Cleanser. I really wanted to try this, but I was not going to spend my own coin on it. So I'm actually happy that this was in the box. And it smells good. I'm gonna use this today. Oh, this is cool. It has like a little plunger thing. I think you like plunge that to get it to go out. That's fire. I like that. So in this option, this was $34. So let me add that there, 34. And in this option, there was a body soap bowls. I've never heard of a body soap bowl. I don't need a body soap bowl. The fact that it's in here, I never heard of it, made me know I could keep it exactly where it's at. And that was $48. There was an eye and face palette. The eye and face palette was $62. I don't need any more palettes. There was the London Underglow Blurring Primer. I don't know how that was gonna mix with my skin because there wasn't other skin type options, like skin color options. That was $30. There's a beanie in here, a hunter beanie for $58. And there are measuring cups and a cookbook holder. Didn't need any measuring cups. The measuring cups were $70. So literally, if you're someone into measuring cups, you could get these measuring cups and it will cover the price of your box and more. And all the other items, you, again, technically, according to girl math, you get everything else for free. Cookbook holder and an eye mask. The cookbook holder was $31.50 and the eye mask is $49.95. So I went ahead and I went with the Fenty my mind just went blank. What is this? Makeup remover. This section was kind of interesting. So this section has a lot of makeup and face cream items. So I feel like if you're someone that has dry skin and looking for like makeup items, this is low-key the box for you. I didn't like anything in this section, so I was forced to pick something. And what I picked was this 18 karat gold crystal bracelet. Like I don't know if you could see what she's giving, but she's giving. This is a nice bracelet. So in this box, it was a brightening under eye cream. The brightening under eye cream was $125 doll hairs. $125 doll hairs. That is two boxes. That's the cost of 2 boxes. And you're getting this under eye cream for $125 doll hairs. Save your coin, get the box because everything else is free. Another thing that is in here is a glossy balm. The gloss balm is $24. The bracelet that I currently have is $40. There are some Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencils in different shades. It's $22. There's an enhanced cream, curl enhancer cream, I guess if you have curly hair, for $36. A Short Stories honey jar and dipper, which is so cute, but I don't need that. It was $40. Some mascara, $20. From Tower, $28. Brooke Your Body cookbook, which is $35. I was kind of interested in that, but then I read the reviews on that cookbook and they were not good, so I skipped that. And there's a First Aid Beauty Bronze Glow Drops with niacinamide. That's $28. So that's what that section was given. So the best thing for me, I don't know about you, you tell me in the comments, but the best thing for me was this bracelet. So section 4 was a very interesting selection. I had again a hard time picking something. I felt like I was forced to pick something in this section, and what I picked out of this section is the Let Me Curving Support vitamins. I wanted these because I'm on a little weight loss journey right now. I need to lose a few pounds, and I saw this and I was like, oh, okay. I was gonna buy an appetite like kind of suppressant, so this curbs your appetite and, you know, boosts your metabolism and, you know, helps your body composition. So I was like, why not? Because I am not giving a Kardashian my coin, so I might as well get it for free since my box has already been paid for. So this was interesting. So in this selection though, there was the Nip and Fab Hyaluronic Fix, $24.95. The Ripple Muse Roll-On Fragrance Oil, $58. The Let Me Glow Skin, Nail, and Hair Vitamins, $30. The Let Me Curb, which is what I got, which is $40. Let me add that to my list. There's these eye gel patches that were $35. Liquid Liqueur nail polish and top coat, $32. Safety alarm could be useful, $30. And a skin rub refining peel gel, that was $28. Out of all of these selections, nothing again interested me. I didn't need any more skincare items. I use gel polish, I don't use regular nail polish. Safety alarm, no. So the best choice, low-key, honestly, was the Let Me Curb. This next section, again, like this box, y'all, I was kind of disappointed in this box, but there's some good things, but just not for me. Like it's not for me, which is fine. So completely fine. So this box had a lot of interesting things, but what I did end up going with was this Ahava Mineral Radiance Cleanser. I'm always looking for a face cleanser. I go through face cleansers like crazy, and you know, this just stood up to me. The face cleanser was $28, and the other options that I had in this, or that we have, because these will be your options too, is going to be the Jade Leaf Matcha Strawberry Mix. That was $21.82. Cure More Reset Roller. I don't know what that roller is used for, but that's $24. Chili Crisp 16 ounce, $15. A clip bow if you're someone that puts bows in your hair, $18. Neighbor Set 3 sponge cloth herbs, I don't know what that is, but that was $18. And a sponge Go Beauty sponge ornament. I didn't know that makeup could be ornaments, but that's cute, and it's $20. So that's what I had in this option. And you know what I'm getting out of this box? This is what I'm getting out of this box. This box is for a tween. This box is for a teenager. This box is for that girly girl in your family, or your daughter, your niece, that loves skincare things and likes cute, like dainty things. This is the perfect gift, literally the perfect gift to get a teenager or a tween. That's what I'm getting at with this. And I kind of now I'm understanding, because before I was like, damn, I'm disappointed, but no, I get it. This is for your niece, your daughter, your cousin, your sister-in-law that is between the ages of like 15 and 26. I think that's who this box is for. Yeah. The next thing, again, these were things that I really didn't need. I have all the makeup, all the skincare that I need for myself, so this was also a forced pick for me. But this section had the Fenty Skin Cookies and Clean. I've seen so many good reviews about this, so I really wanted to try it. This is $37. There's the Tower 28 Juice Bomb and Mix bundle, $32. Sweaty Betty Slogan Socks, $24. and there were multiple of that. There's the Milan and Goats Acne Nighttime Cream or Acne Treatment, $26. There's a toilette, fragrance, $25. I don't know what that brand is. There's a wine tote, which is so cute, $55. Sleep spray, $45. Massage oil, Playground Mood Maker Body Massage Oil, $35. And Everyday Body Milk by Rosie Jan, chill the fuck out, body oil, $28. So again, out of that selection for me, you let me know if you would have chose something else, but the Fenty Skin is the only thing that interests me out of that whole thing, and it's the full size. So yeah, that was my box. This is an interesting box. Like I said, I think this box is for someone younger. Like, this is for, I'm not saying I'm old, but you know what I'm saying? Like, the teeny boppers are now going into Sephora. They're taking over Sephora. Like, when I go to Sephora now, I see a bunch of tweens, a bunch of little girls like looking for their makeup, and I think that this is who this box is for, and it makes the perfect Christmas gift because all you gotta spend is either $69.99 or $54.95. I think that's what it is, and you get this value here, which actually, let me add up. So if you selected the things that I selected, and there were more expensive things to choose from, my box was $69.99 and I got $239 worth of items. Like, if that's not a steal, I don't know what is. If that's not saving you a coin, I don't know what is. Things are expensive nowadays, and people are looking for good gifts to give, and this is the perfect Christmas gift. Yeah, that's all I got. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will be back with another one.